So this ORINAR under the desk walking pad, I'm really pleased with my purchase. I bought it last week and it's currently selling over 4,000 units per month on Amazon with hundreds of 4.5 to 5 star written reviews. When I buy new Amazon products that I need, I hate having to return them. So I always look for the product I think I'm going to like, and then I go to like the amount of sales velocity, so like the amount of products that are being sold every month, as well as the reviews, so I can get an idea: are people returning it? Are they pleased with it? This one came highly reviewed, highly purchased, and people are loving it. So that gave me a really good idea on how I was going to feel about it. So you can see down here, you got time, speed, distance, and calories. It's going to flash between that. And then I'm going to show you this thing does go up to 3.8, which I'm going to be straight up, dude. You're not going to use this at 3.8 if you're doing under the desk. If you're going to be working, you're probably going to be more down, I would say below 3, probably 2.5 or lower, because you got to be able to multitask and think. At least if you're me, I can't really do that very well. So you got the power button, the pause and play button. You also have the speed up and down. And then you have the mode where you can switch between what you're seeing on the screen. Again, like I said, it's going to flash between time, speed, distance, and calories. And that's amazing. So a couple other things I wanted to cover. So what I like about it, it has 3 contact points on the bottom. You have a foot here, you have a foot here, and then you have a foot up at the front. And those are all like rubber or silicone, so there's going to be no scratching on the floors. Also, you do have wheels in the front, and you can definitely move it very easily. So if you want to store it under a couch or something like that, it's very storable, or under your bed. But this ORINAR is definitely, it's, as you can see, it's very sleek, very thin, very compact, but in a positive way, this thing is a little bigger than many of the other under the desk treadmills that I've tried, and I think that's a positive. Gives you a little bit wider of a base. You can still step on the sides if you need, but it's a little wider of a base, and it's definitely longer. So if you have a longer stride or something like that, this is definitely going to be a better fit for you. Anyways, that's why I bought it. I think I think this is going to work for most people, and the fact that 4,000 people are buying it a month and they're very satisfied with it the same way I was, you're not going to have to worry about getting something you're not happy with and returning it. As long as you're 265 pounds or under, I think this is the one to go with. I also kind of like that silver look too. But anyways, those are my thoughts. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision.